Servus und hallo, my name is Luis from TNH Group, and in this video we will be unboxing the RatRig Vcore 4. I bought a 500mm edition, which you can kind of see by this is the bed. We're going to unbox this in this video, and then we will build it in live streams. And I will see how I have to disassemble this to put it into the printing farm. But nonetheless, we're going to start. I was one of the first people to receive it, but I was not home to unbox it. So here I am. Yeah, it is 6 packages. I thought it may come on a pallet, but it didn't. Oh, I also bought the printer. I bought the biggest and best thing. I bought the IDEX preparation upgrade and printed parts. Okay, this is the dual motor kit. Okay, so this is for the IDEX preparation. Yeah, the IDEX kit has released, but I will wait before I buy it. Because this printer is not cheap by itself, and I'm not sponsored by RatRig. Each opinion is my own. I am active in the Discord, in the German section, and there are some of the fellow Germans that help with this all research and development. Okay, so this is mainly printed parts, then, I presume. Toolhead. These printed parts look very good, and they have the heat set inserts already installed. We have a Rapido Plus hot end, the beacon probe, and the hardware pack for the Rapido and orbiter. Yeah, and a Raspberry Pi. The smallest of main boards, the Big TreeTech Octopus, and the Orbiter Extruder V2 from LDO. The build streams will probably take a while, and then we will also do like a configuration stream. What do we have here? This is heavy. Ah yes, there are some motor plates that are machined, and all of the fasteners and hardware are here. A big roll of VHB tape, it looks like. You don't have to take the printed part. I did this to to see how good these come out, and so far they look good. I don't see any real defects. Obviously, if you have a well-calibrated printer, they will look slightly better. This is good for like a large-scale production. I've seen much worse. Aluminum electronics enclosure kit, because the electronic enclosure is different in the Vcore 4 than in the Vcore 3. I don't have a Vcore 3, but I have a V-Minion, so some parts may feel familiar and some won't. Star of the show are these 2 big things that will go somewhere. Let's open this way. Damn, son. So yeah, this is the bed. Yeah, I think I got my thumbnail right here. Jesus Christ. 220 volt, 1.5 kilowatt bed. Okay, so it's the magnetic flex plate, which is double-sided. You have this very small heat bed. Okay, this is a 9mm aluminum plate. This will be fun. Realistically, you will only, I will mostly print PLA things on here, but I will do some ABS tests. I will just have to heat it thoroughly. And remember, all of this is not light. If you are on the smaller side, you might want help with this. Just lugging everything around. This printer is beefy. Here are some spindles, some rails that are the length of my arm. Some more rails. Some very small panels. These look to be some very well machined aluminum extrusions. I mean, I expect nothing less, but it is nice to see that the expectations are met. this will be a behemoth of a printer. But it's well packaged, and from my experience, all of the manuals are written well. So that was the unboxing of the RatRig Vcore 4 500mm ready for hybrid mode video. There are less printed parts than I have thought. There are a lot of aluminum parts that are custom made and custom machined, and they're well made from the first look. And yeah, I look forward to building this machine with you together on live streams. They will be announced. I will target mostly Sundays because that's usually when I have time. I'm in the Central European time zone. Some of you may think now, why did this guy get such a big printer? The answer is curiosity, fair bit, and I also have some projects with people in mind that need big build volumes, and it can print pretty and well, hopefully. Yeah, I'm ready for the journey. If you have any questions or any things you want me to look out for, please put them in the comments, and also if you join the live stream chat, you can ask all the questions there. This has been Luis from TNH Group. Tschüss und auf Wiedersehen.